Shiku di sini kita akan melanjutkan gameplay Life is Strange. Ya, benar, kalian nggak salah dengar, Life is Strange. Tapi episode terakhir ya, episode 5. Dan kemarin kita udah mendapatkan fakta baru kalau ternyata Mark Jefferson adalah villainnya, teman. Jadi, tanpa berlama-lama, langsung saja kita lanjutkan ke episode 5. Polar. Kita di dark room.
Previously on Life is Strange.
Oke, kita flashback lagi
What did
dari
you
awal.
find? Rachel in the dark room. Over and over. That's it.
Dan teman-teman
trust
lagi-lagi
except
Shiku
each other.
telat.
You know more about her
What?
than me.
No, you and Chloe
Posting.
think you know more than anybody, like all teenagers.
Posting video The
Oh,
Walking
look.
Dead.
The Wonder Twins.
What are you doing in my dorm? You are so
Oh, ini
fucking dead!
bener, Nathan.
Nathan is truly psychotic. I know he has something to do with Rachel missing.
Astaga.
Kate wasn't the first. All those binders are filled with other victims.
What are you doing here, Max?
Victoria has to be next.
What a lame gimmick.
Rachel, why is he putting her in the ground like that? Where?
The junkyard. Max, we have to find that spot now.
Oke, dan akhirnya kita melihat kalau
I'm sorry, Chloe. I'm so sorry.
kita melihat Rachel meninggal dan dikubur di
I know you're close to Nathan, but your life is in serious danger. Nathan just texted me. He says there won't be any evidence left after he's done. Oh God, Max, look. She's still there.
Oh no,
No.
ya yang begini ini
Chloe.
teman-teman.
Look how. What the fuck?
Oh no, Chloe. Nah ini nih teman-teman, Mark Jefferson. Astaga, itu masih nggak masuk akal di otak Shiku sih. Ternyata guru yang kita idam-idamkan adalah pembunuh dan orang sakit jiwa. Gimana kita sekarang? Tadi tulisannya sih dark room ya teman-teman. Oh no. Oh no. Apa itu? Kayak sebuah tempat foto gak sih? Hah, kamera. Oke, apa yang akan terjadi setelah ini? Jangan-jangan ya teman-teman, ini menurut pendapat Chico aja sih. Jangan-jangan si Nathan itu bukanlah penjahat sesungguhnya. Jangan-jangan apa yang dia lakukan itu juga di bawah tekanan. Dan musuh kita sebenarnya adalah Mark Jefferson. Tapi menurut Chico, Mark ini mainnya lumayan rapi sih. Terlepas dari dia punya basement yang bikin kita tahu semuanya ya. Oke, itu kelihatannya adalah kaki kita, kaki Max. Dan semuanya akan dimulai dari sini. Dan ya, betul sekali. Itu kita tuh. Astaga. Max, bangun Max, cepat. Cepat bangun. Max. Bangun Max. Kita berasa jadi si siapa? Aiden.
What?
Nah, kalau itu aku nggak tahu.
It's a dark room.
Oh, iya kita di dark room. Adakah yang bisa kita lakukan?
Is anybody out there? Please help!
Oke, kita lihat dulu.
Of course. And right in front of me.
Kita nggak bisa keluar kah?
Somebody help me!
God, I don't remember anything that happened. Oh shit, that's me. He took that shot last night.
Serem sih, sumpah.
God, I don't remember anything that happened.
Oh no!
This must be
Nama
the same
kita,
drug Nathan
teman-teman.
used on Kate. If I could move it towards me. These straps hurt.
Gimana cara kita... bentar.
Great. I can see all my things, but I can't grab it.
Kita terjebak di ruangan yang sangat menyebalkan ini, teman-teman. Gimana cara kita untuk... Oke, akhirnya bisa.
Finally, I'm free. Almost.
Bentar. Apa ya? Chico, coba cepat berpikir. Adakah sesuatu di bawah sini yang bisa kita... Gak ada. Oh, ini nih, kita bisa. Oke, seenggaknya kita bisa lebih dekat dengan semua ini.
God, I don't remember anything that happened. This must be the same drug Nathan used on Kate. I hate looking at myself like that. You'll pay for this,
Astaga.
Jefferson.
Betul kan? Tuh kan Jefferson. Kesel sih kuliah. Oke.
I promised I would never go back in time like this again. But this is the only way.
Oke, kita mulai lagi ya, teman-teman. Kita akan mencoba rewind. Oke, kita akan rewind dari sini, teman. Jefferson, kamu sakit jiwa,
This angle
sumpah.
highlights your purity, see. The slightly unconscious model is often the most open and honest. No vanity or posing, just pure expression.
The hell?
Look at that perfect face.
Jefferson, kamu sakit jiwa. Si
Hold
kuat.
that stare there! Stay still!
Kan dia sakit jiwa. Mana ada dia? Mana ada idaman-idamannya? Itu monster.
Oh, Max! You fucked up my shot!
But please don't worry. We have all the time in the world. For now, I knew you were special the second I saw your first selfie. Yes, I still hate that word. But I love the purity of your own image. Not like Rachel, who was always looking in the wrong places. Poor Rachel. Wait. Let me try this angle.
Sumpah dia gangguan jiwa banget sih. Kalau dilihat-lihat tuh, dia suka lihat,
Don't move!
dia suka lihat korban yang menderita dan dia foto.
Much better. Thanks, Max. If only Nathan could see this setup. He tried so hard. But you can't just throw a few subjects around and expect a cohesive style or theme. But he had an eye
Okay.
for shadows.
Dan
And an
apakah
eye for a whole lot more. as his elite family will find out, along with Arcadia Bay. Nice. Good. Oh, those eyes.
Kita bisa tendang dia nggak sih? Jangan diem-diem
It's
aja,
just
Max.
too bad you're so goddamn
Nggak bisa.
nosy, Max. But
Kita nggak
this
bisa.
room is under 24/7 surveillance, so all I had to do was text you from Nathan's phone
Oh,
And you
jadi
fell
kamu
right
yang ngechat.
into my hands. You really should have focused on schoolwork, not private detecting with your little friend.
Chloe.
Chloe, right. Yeah, I'm sorry that Nathan killed her in self-defense. But she had a troubled history like most Arcadia Bay dropouts. Nobody will be surprised or care. Though I promise, people will care when you die tonight, Max.
The hell?
I wasn't
What did you
lying when I
say?
said you have a gift. Okay, now
She
this looks
perfect.
good.
Tendang, Max.
Maybe a
Tendang.
few more close-ups.
Max, kamu bisa tendang dia loh. Kita punya waktu. Nggak
Max,
bisa.
please do not move so much. I need you posed and framed my way. Maybe a new dose will calm you down.
No.
Ada yang bisa kita interaksi nggak sih? Guys, please.
Now don't move or this will hurt much.
Enggak. Oke, nice, bisa.
Stupid bitch! You just don't listen, do you? In fact, you never did hear much in my class. If you had,
Just
you might have
stop
seen all this
it.
coming. God damn, you are a fighter, though. I've had my eye on you, and I've noticed that you've been more fearless this week than maybe your whole life.
Bisa, Max. Bisa.
Remember my number one rule. Always take the shot.
Oh no. Kita lemah. Oh, kita rubah ceritanya dulu. Kita bikin dia marah.
Oh, Jesus. I can't believe that happened. So sick.
Oke, kita bikin dia marah, teman-teman. Oke, apa yang bisa kita interaksi lagi? Folder. Fotonya udah ya tadi.
Okay. I broke those files when I kicked the trolley. Whoa. I'm definitely more awake in this photo. I could try this one.
Oke. Kita
This
coba
might
dulu ya
work.
fotonya.
Please work.
Oke, kita mulai. Anehnya Jefferson ini.
I'm getting some spectacular images here, Max. Yes, Victoria would kill to be in your place, but she doesn't understand our connection.
Maksudlah?
You're the winner, Max. I choose you. Your portrait. Fuck you.
Bohongnya.
You're trying too hard. I know you're scared. You all have the same doe-eyed look when you wake up here, replaced by fear as you realize what's about to happen.
Mr. Jefferson, why are you doing this?
Max, I'm so glad you asked that question. Simply put,
Astaga.
I'm obsessed with the idea of capturing that moment innocence evolves into corruption. That shift from black to white to gray and beyond. Most models are cynical. They lose that naivete. However, some Blackwell students carry their hope and optimism with them like an aura. And those lucky few
Gangguan jiwa,
become my
sumpah.
models. My
Gangguan
subjects.
jiwa.
Yes. You're a psychopath. And this is your last session.
Betul. Kita akan mengakhiri ini
Au
semua.
contraire, Max. I'm so sane that nobody knows what's happening to you right now. And don't get me started on your late partner. I had enough of those faux punk sluts in my Seattle days.
Maksud kau? Go to hell.
Go to hell. You will for everybody you've hurt.
Unlike pure sweet Kate Marsh, I don't believe in that bullshit. She could have been my masterpiece. The world is what an artist makes
Kan
it.
berarti
And
yang
my muse,
bla bla bla.
Blah, blah, blah. God, I hate your voice now.
you might as well savor it considering it's the last you'll hear. Oh. That struck a nerve. Your face changed color. Beautiful.
You will not get away with this. I want you to know that.
Too bad you already made a convincing argument against Nathan in the principal's office. Thank you so much for setting him up for me. I do know that the Prescotts are going to have a major scandal when the town finds out what their elite
Jadi
son
ini
has been
semua
doing for
gara-gara
homework.
lu ya, Jefferson. Kamu make Nathan.
You used Nathan.
I
Kamu
prefer the term
ngegunain Nathan.
manipulated. Like with an image. Nathan's was easy to twist around.
Kan
I
bener.
became a sort of father figure for Nathan.
The hell?
It happens often in teacher-student relationships. It was kind of touching for a while.
Did you tell him everything about your plans at Blackwell?
Don't be stupid, Max. I told him what he needed to hear. In return, I had access to the Prescott fortune. Who do you
bener.
think paid for this
Iya.
glorious darkroom and equipment? How else could I get all these hip new drugs for my subjects?
Rachel Amber was your victim, not your subject.
Betul.
Rachel Amber. That's the real tragedy. Nathan thought he could be an artist like me. Instead, the dumbass gave her an overdose.
Kenapa harus Rachel?
Why Rachel?
I don't have time to tell you everything. But she was special. A human chameleon, so many visual possibilities. We had a real connection.
Kita tanya ini aja deh. Kita nggak usah melibatkan banyak orang. Kita tanya ini.
Did she let you take pictures of her?
Rachel was in love with me. That's not my ego. Just look at our sessions. Not that I'll let you. Nobody loved having their picture taken more. Anyway, Rachel is dead. But no tears. Los Angeles would have killed her anyway, so look at this as a favor.
You're evil.
Oh, I see. You're good because you stopped your friend from beating Nathan up.
I cared more about Nathan than you did.
No, you didn't. It's just too bad that he fell in lust with Rachel. He actually thought he could mimic what I do with the camera and subject, like father, but not like son.
Where is Nathan now?
Dead and buried.
Hah?
After what he did to Rachel, I knew I couldn't keep him as a protege for much longer. Now the police will never find his body. Do you finally get it now, Max?
Nathan.
I can't
Dibunuh
compromise
juga.
my vision with amateurs.
You are an amateur.
Emang sakit jiwa.
Look at the trail of death you left behind. You can't blame all this on Nathan.
Betul.
I don't care what you do to me. You're gonna die, motherfucker. For Chloe and Rachel and everybody else.
I do love your spirit, Max, but you brought yourself here. By your own choice. Anyway, I like my models to be seen and not heard. So I have to make sure there's nothing left behind of you. Okay. Now, let's see how these shots came out. I can see why your instant camera is so appealing. You don't need a computer to print your work out.
Enggak. Kita harus lakuin sesuatu, teman-teman. Apa yang bisa kita... Oh,
I have all those photos in my diary. This could be a way out.
This is purity personified.
apa ya? Kita bisa.
Max, I wish you could see yourself now.
Enggak. Gue nggak mau. Apa yang bisa kita lakukan, teman-teman?
This one is out of focus.
Oke.
I have all those photos in my diary. This could be a way out.
Now this one. This is purely
Apa yang
personified.
bisa kita lakukan, teman-teman?
Max, I wish you could see yourself now.
Masa kita cuman dengerin dia ngomong kayak gitu sih? Astaga, dia lagi ngelakuin aneh-aneh tuh. Pasti aneh-aneh apa tuh, Chico?
This one is out
Aneh.
of focus, but
Pokoknya itu
that's
aneh-aneh.
my fault, Max.
Chico kesal.
Sorry. This is not art.
God, I wish you had been around back in my day.
Kita nggak bisa diem-diem dong. Ada yang harus kita lakukan. Max.
You're up.
Kan? Apa ya, teman?
Okay.
Wait! Please,
Kita tunggu.
Mr. Jefferson.
Max, I would love to talk shop, but I really need to go over these pictures, especially while they're fresh in my mind.
Nggak.
I think our session was a career high for me.
Kita tanya ini.
You still have my diary.
Don't worry. Nobody's going to read it. Thanks for reminding me. There's nothing more innocent than a teenager's diary. Oh, look at your selfies. What a waste of talent. Look at that shot, Max. You can do so much better.
Maksud lo? Oke. Nah, inilah waktu kita untuk merewind, teman-teman. Bentar.
Hopeless faces. You feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
Seenggaknya kita harus
I could
keluar.
frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation. Shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for
back.
a wonderful photographic
Okay.
Right back where I started this insane week.
Kita akan
And
ulang
nobody
dari
is going
sini.
to hurt
You all
Chloe
know
ever
the photo
again.
portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry.
Kita akan
I
ulang
couldn't
dari
resist.
sini, teman-teman.
The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around.
Bla bla bla
Now,
bla
Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
bla. Kita ulang dari sini lagi, teman-teman. Who cares?
Who cares? This class is hella bullshit.
Oke.
I'll pretend you didn't say that and let you try to answer one more.
Sorry, there's no time left. I mean, your class is almost over.
Oh. Well, thanks for the warning, Max. So, the Daguerrean process
Kita
made
nggak
portraiture
akan
quite
jadi
popular,
orang yang sama
mainly
lagi.
because it gave the subjects clear defined features. You can learn more when you finish reading the assigned chapters. Clearly,
Kita
Max
akan
doesn't have
hentikan
the,
permainan.
time. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes
Time to change time.
The winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the
First,
art world.
let's make it real easy to capture Mark Jefferson.
And Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Battered. have to warn David about Jefferson and the dark room. Did you know someday your pictures would actually alter time and space?
Kita cari dulu bentar.
I should be able to track down David's number from the school pamphlet. Found you.
Oke, kita harus bilang David Madsen dan kita harus kerja sama-sama beliau.
For once, David, I'm praying you'll overreact to this as much as everything else. And take Jefferson down fast.
Kalau kamu masih peduli sama Chloe, harusnya kamu menjawab ini. Lah,
You wanted me to enter the contest, asshole. So maybe I'll be going to San Francisco. And Jefferson, you'll be going to prison.
oke.
The past within the past.
Oh no. Kita udah
Am
mulai
I pushing
mimisan,
myself
temen-temen.
too hard?
Bentar, kita tanya Kate dulu.
It doesn't matter what happens to me. I have to say hi, Kate.
Oh, hey, Max.
Kate, listen to me.
I
Aku
am.
tahu apa yang akan terjadi.
Always
sebenarnya.
remember that you're not alone. I've got your back no matter what happens. So do a lot of other people. We all care. We're all here for you. You need to know that.
Max, that makes me feel so blessed for the first time this week.
Oke.
I don't know what to say.
That's okay. Neither do I. Maybe we could both use a hug.
Ya, kita harus berpelukan untuk mempercayai satu sama lain. Untuk
Thanks.
melawan orang gila
You
depan
always
kita.
know the right thing to do.
Oke. Waktunya kita kelahi.
Mr. Jefferson, we need to talk.
Can you see I'm talking to Mr. Jefferson now?
I can see you're kissing ass again. Nothing new.
What did you just say?
Hold on, Victoria. Are you okay, Max?
Enggak.
Not until Victoria knows that hiding behind a screen and posting videos of people is totally fucked up. You know how easy it is to hurt somebody? To destroy their life? Are you proud of yourself? If you have
mulai.
any feelings left, you should think about your actions.
Mulai
Listen,
berbeda dari
I didn't.
Of course you did. You're so insecure, you can't even be happy with your own talent. You have to try and bring everybody down to your mean and ugly level.
Okay, I do not have to listen to this bullshit. Do I, Mr. Jefferson?
Well, it looks like you already did, Victoria.
Then I guess I'm done talking.
I sure hope so.
Oke, pergi.
I'm not going to say I didn't enjoy that, but why?
Here's my photograph for the Everyday Heroes contest.
Oh, that was easy.
No. It wasn't easy at all.
Well, I can't prejudge yet, but I'm very happy you decided to enter. That means a lot to me. And Blackwell. The first step for any artist is to put themselves out there in the world without fear. To be innocent.
Or guilty.
Kata-kata innocent.
Well, thanks for the photo, and maybe both of us will be jet-setting to San Francisco this Friday.
Or maybe only one of us will be going.
Don't be so modest, Max. Anything can happen in a week.
As you're going to find out, Mr. Jefferson.
Oke. Kita ganti. Kita ubah semuanya. Oke. Gue masih hidup berarti. Ah, nice. Akhirnya kita buat semua ini jadi berubah, teman-teman. Apakah hal ini udah selesai? Ya, kita tidak akan lemah begitu saja. Kita mengubah Max, teman-teman. Kita tidak akan membiarkan Jefferson membunuh siapapun. Oke, kita masih bersama Chloe dan kita tidak akan membiarkan Jefferson memfoto gua. Gua tahu gua cantik tapi nggak gitu juga Jefferson. Oke.
Whoa!
Oke, teman-teman. Sebuah ending yang bahagia. Bukan ending sih, ini hampir ending. Berarti namanya adalah pra-ending. Jadi, karena Shiku sudah senang dan sudah rekaman terlalu lama juga, mungkin kita udahin sampai di sini dulu aja, teman-teman. Shiku puas banget sih. Jefferson kena tangkap polisi dan semua kejahatannya terungkap. Tapi kayaknya masih belum selesai deh. Jadi terima kasih buat kalian yang udah menonton. Sampai jumpa lagi. Dan bye bye. Semangat puasanya. Dan selamat sahur.